3 a.m. at night. We have just landed in Ho Chi Minh, and immigration was really easy, and it was like 3 a.m. in the morning, so the airport was completely empty. Only few passengers from our flight Indigo. And after immigration and luggage check, we went to a taxi counter and we paid $15 from Ho Chi Minh airport to our hotel, which is in District 1. It is Ramada Encore, supposedly a good hotel, and we have got a very nice car. You can see, for the first time I see the steering is on the left hand side. It is the first time in Ho Chi Minh City. Empty roads. We'll start exploring the city from tomorrow.